Roadmap to become an NLP engineer. What does an NLP engineer do? An NLP engineer builds systems that enable machines to understand, interpret, and generate human language. Where it's used, NLP is used in chatbots, voice assistants, translation systems, sentiment analysis, search engines, and AI-powered applications. Start with the basics. Understand natural language processing concepts, linguistics basics, and how machines process text. Learn programming fundamentals. Master Python and libraries used in NLP like NLTK, spaCy, and transformers. Understand text processing. Learn tokenization, stemming, lemmatization, stop word removal, and text normalization. Learn machine learning basics. Understand supervised and unsupervised learning, classification, and regression techniques. Dive into deep learning. Learn neural networks, RNNs, LSTMs, and especially transformers. Work with NLP libraries and models. Use tools like Hugging Face transformers, TensorFlow, and PyTorch. Learn word embeddings. Understand Word2Vec, GloV, and contextual embeddings like BERT. Explore advanced NLP tasks. Work on tasks like sentiment analysis, named entity recognition, NER, text summarization, and machine translation. Work with large language models, LLMs. Understand models like GPT and how to fine-tune them for specific tasks. Learn data handling and preprocessing. Work with large text datasets and prepare them for training models. Build real-world projects. Create chatbots, text classifiers, recommendation systems, or AI assistants. Understand model evaluation. Learn metrics like accuracy, precision, recall, F1 score, and blur score. Deploy NLP models. Learn how to deploy models using APIs, Flask, or cloud platforms. Be ready for challenges. Handling ambiguity, context understanding, and large datasets can be complex. Think like an NLP engineer. Focus on language understanding, context, and continuous improvement of models. Build intelligent language systems. Start your journey today and become an NLP engineer, shaping human-AI interaction.